guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you guys are new here, my name is Brittany, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning my very messy car. It needs just total clean out from the inside all the way to the outside. We want to thank Super Clean for sending us these products to try out and give an honest review. So we are going to try these out on the car today. They sent us Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And this is the same thing as this, but this is in an aerosol can.
We've got the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. And then, I don't know if I'm going to have any floor messes, but if we make a mess, we've got this floor absorber as well, which is always nice to have on hand.
So we are going to take you guys along with us cleaning out the car, detailing the inside as well as the outside. And at the end, we'll let you guys know our thoughts on the Super Clean products. We hope that you guys enjoy.
to test out this ultimate waterless wheel and tire that I have from Meguiar's. A little bit different product since it's waterless. So maybe it's not a fair comparison, but I've never tried this one yet either, so we'll see how they compare.
It's the next day. We ended up not finishing the car because we ran out of sunlight. So since we're filming it, we wanted to make sure we had good sunlight so that you guys can kind of see us finish detailing the car. Josh did the majority of the outside of the car already, but I'm going to have him share what he uses just in case you guys are looking for any car cleaner. So I'll have him show you guys what he's been using on the outside of the car. I need to finish vacuuming the inside of the car, although the vacuum that I have, which is just like a Shark house vacuum, it doesn't work very well. It's like not as good as like going to the car wash and using like the really high power vacuums. It's not as good. Josh is behind me. in front of me.
It's just as good. The car wash vacuums don't work well either. Just trying to get dog hair out of the carpets in the car. Vacuums just don't do well with that.
It's not even just dog hair, it's my hair too, which I'm sure you guys saw.
Yeah,
I shed so much.
It doesn't matter what vacuum you have.
I did tell them though that you are going to share in a little bit what products you use for the outside of the car in case they're looking for good products. So I said that you would share that too. So, okay, well, we are going to get back into cleaning this car.
So I like to use waterless car wash because it's just a lot easier to use. You don't have to pull the car out and use your hose and rinse and get the buckets and do all that stuff. It's just a lot more work. So I like this waterless wash. This is one that I use, Wash and Wax All, this Aero Cosmetics brand. It's available on Amazon, really low price. It works really well. There's a few others like this that I like too, but you just, I like to dust the car first so all the dust is gone. So that way when you're wiping, you're not, scratching it up. But just give it a quick dust with they call it the California duster. Dust it off real quick, give it a spray with a microfiber cloth, and just give it a quick buff and wipe, and it's nice and shiny, and it's already kind of waxed and washed at the same time. So works really nice. It helps if you can garage the car, of course. I know not everybody has access and resource and space to be able to do that, but if you can, it's a really easy way to just kind of keep it, clean consistently all the time. Just give it a quick wipe. So that's what we do. So for the interior and some of the exterior plastics even, I'm using this 303 protectant, interior and exterior ultimate UV protection. This stuff is magical. It leaves a nice, it's not super shiny, but it looks nice and clean afterwards. Really good protection. It's got a nice feel to it after. It lasts a long time. It just looks really, really good. And with this stuff, you have to spray it on your cloth and you give it a wipe, spread it all around, and then you have to buff it off on the dry side. And you have to be a little careful because it can be a little bit spotty sometimes if you don't give it a good buff. But once you do, it's a miracle. It's really good. So I don't use this every time because it is a little bit more particular about how you apply it. A lot of times I'll just use like the waterless wash stuff that I use on the exterior. Inside too, it works really good, just a quick cleanup. But this stuff, once every couple of months, works wonders.
And it gives it like a new car smell, which I love. I'll get into my car and it smells like a new car smell.
That's mostly the leather stuff. Actually, no, I'll probably use this on the leather too. It even works really good on leather. It's a nice UV protection. But a lot of the leather cleaners do have really good smell.
Oh, see, this is all him. I try to butt in. I still don't know what I'm talking about. So this is all him.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. It is So hot out here. I am sweating. You're sweating. Oh, it's getting way too hot out here. My final thoughts on the Super Clean. I used it, as you guys saw, in the cup holders. They were really gross, mainly from me getting too much iced coffee and it spilling and not picking it up afterwards. So that is my fault. But I used the Super Clean degreaser in those cup holders and it cleaned it out really quickly. I thought it was gonna have to sit for a long time because of how much like buildup and stickiness there was, but I only let it sit for maybe 60 seconds. I was gonna say 60 minutes, like 60 seconds, so like a minute, and wiped it out and it cleaned it up really good. So I'm excited to use the Super Clean in the kitchen. As far as the oven, I think it's gonna work really well in the oven, and I have a kind of like a Georgia Foreman grill. It's a different brand, but the outside of it gets really nasty from all of the grease from cooking. So I'm excited to use it on there. So stay tuned for future videos because I am going to show Super Clean in the home, and we just showed it in the car. What did you think for the tire cleaner?
Works well. It's a really easy product. You just spray it on and rinse it off. So I think like with our car wasn't like that dirty, so you didn't really see like a ton of dirt coming off, but it still worked well. It was nice and clean afterwards. I like the other product I showed too, the Meguiar's one, just because it does add some tire shine to it. It's similar, but they're very different products, right? I think that the Super Clean would work a lot better on like a really dirty tire, and if it's something that maybe not everyone likes, like a really shiny tire too, so it leaves like a nice clean matte finish. The other one's good if it's not quite as dirty and you want a little bit of shine and just kind of wipe it on and touch it up real quick. So, but overall, yeah, it worked really nice.
So we will leave the Super Clean website linked in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking out their products. Thank you again, Super Clean, for sending those products our way. I hope you guys liked this video. It was a little bit different since we are outside cleaning the car versus my normal content cleaning inside the house, but I'm glad it's done. I love to have a clean car, and hubby usually does it on his own, so I'm glad I got to help this time, and I thank you for cleaning my car and doing this video with me. So a big round of applause to Josh for helping me with this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and joining our growing YouTube family. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram for more content. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.